Hello friends, currently I am in Kasauli in Himachal Pradesh. So I want to share some excellent views. Please enjoy. So you can see the weather is too down, and the fog everywhere, fog, and you can see the sunlight at the top. You can see. Basically, this is the cantonment area, Kasauli in Himachal Pradesh. So here you can see the view. Yeah, that's very amazing. Here the atmosphere is changed in seconds. In 1 second it's light, and in 1 second it's foggy. You can see the cloud is waving. Yeah, here my friend is Amit. Yeah, Amit, how's the weather here?
I'm very grateful to
How's the
that.
weather?
Weather is very cool, and at the time I'll get and many different kind of
Yeah.
weather. I see that now.
So we are going down uh, in Kasoli market. So here you can see the view. How cool this. Look at the trees, the color. It's in all blossom everywhere. The street is very clean, neat and clean. Here you can see many bungalows. These bungalows belongs to the army chiefs and the high rank post. Here you can see the trees, how neat and clean. You can see here everywhere the trees are very green, very colorful. You can see the army vehicles coming here. So this is very nice place in Himachal. It's hardly 60 kilometer from Chandigarh. You can see here these are some properties, some bungalows. So please tell how you feel. You can see the weather is too cloudy. Yeah. So hope you like this blog. We are going down to the market. So I'm closing this blog. Hope you enjoy well. So please meet in my next blog. Thank you, Rajesh.